Eto guys, may service tayo ngayon. From Pasay to Dasmariñas, Cavite. Siyempre, hindi na natin idadaan sa app kasi request ito ng kasabwat.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Pasok na ako sa likod. Me too.
Hey, Bill, where we going? They know?
At eto naman ang ating main victim, si Sir Max, isang retired US Army. At shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Aida at kay Ma'am Annabel, sila yung ating kasabwat.
Hey, let me just sit over there. So, because I could squeeze, you know?
Squish. Alam ako mahilo. Just get dizzy.
I could sit over there. No, let me sit over
No,
there.
it's okay. Just stay there. It's okay,
Because you're gonna get sick.
No,
Ati Alice, she said she get dizzy.
no.
Oo. Where we going now?
We have to wait, huh?
Yeah, we have to wait for two more. Yeah, two more passengers.
Alright.
Thank you, sir. Salamat po.
Annabelle.
Yeah, salamat po.
This is a nice car, man.
Yeah.
Is this yours?
Oh, yeah. This.
It's nice.
Yeah, 뭐 한국 사람이에요.
Oh, you're from Korea?
Yeah, Korea.
Korea.
Oh, you're from Korea?
See, right
Yeah.
here, made in Korea.
Yeah.
You don't speak Tagalog?
No.
알레터 사람
A
없고.
little.
Salamat po.
사람 없고.
Ingat po. Ingat.
잉아포, what 잉아포?
Ingat. Ingat means take care. you
Take
know.
care.
Yeah, take care.
Oh.
I like K-pop, you know.
You like K-pop?
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, good.
K-pop, good, right? And kimchi.
김치야.
Kalbi, good.
Yeah. 김치야, 맛있어요.
Oh, it's
Delicious.
good. Delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
Kalbi, yeah.
응?
Kalbi. you know.
갈비.
Korean beef.
that's
Korean
Good.
beef.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Two more?
Two more, yes, please.
more, yeah.
Almost.
Oh, you want some
Okay,
breakfast?
okay.
Hey, you need some breakfast? You want some breakfast?
No, me?
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Yeah, I'm done.
There's so many beautiful, beautiful
Beautiful.
Korean, you know, pop singers like that.
Yeah.
Dancers.
We have a good,
I cannot
like the
call them.
K-drama.
You guys can call them.
Yeah.
We have a good,
K-drama, yeah.
K-drama, right? We have a good writer,
Yes.
script writer.
Yes, sir.
That's why Filipino love to watch K-drama.
Yeah, even anime or you know the zombie, you know.
Hmm? Oh, zombie.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
It's good, man.
Good. Train to Busan.
Busan.
Train to Busan. Zombie.
Oh yeah.
Train to Busan. Yeah.
No, they got a lot of movies. Movie.
Yeah. Korean movie.
Korean movies good. Me and my wife watch.
Oh, you watching?
Yeah, she loves to watch.
But
know.
you Filipino.
Yeah, but born in States.
Born in
in
where?
San Diego,
America.
America.
Oh, really? Oh.
You know Tacoma? You know Tacoma and Seattle?
No, I don't know.
Washington.
Washington.
Yeah, there's a lot of Korean there.
Don Xinhua.
Yeah, don't you know, Korean town.
Korean town?
Yeah, big one.
Mm.
Right? Seattle? Tacoma,
But
Washington.
you speak Tagalog?
No.
Hmm? A little Tagalog?
Yeah.
조금, yeah. When you put Tagalog, you know.
Yeah, me, you. Yeah.
Same Tagalog. A little.
Yeah.
Kunti.
Kunti lang.
You kunti Tagalog.
Kunti.
Me kunti Tagalog also.
Opo.
How long you been in the Philippines?
How long you been here?
1 year here.
1 year.
I have a business here.
Oh, good, man.
Business here. I have a business.
And then how often do you go back home to
Maybe
South.
5 months go back
go back and forth?
because you know the business.
Yeah, it's good, right?
Yeah.
How about the rock soldier, man?
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you soldier?
before, you know, but you know, in
Before.
Korea we went to
Ayaw mo
Busan, you
dito
know,
sa tabi.
Camp Page.
Dito
Yeah,
ka
we
na.
go out there, you know, with the rock soldiers.
Oh,
They're strong, man. They're strong.
strong
Si Annabelle.
Yeah, rock soldiers. Man.
rock soldier.
Yeah, that's why Korea is strong. You know?
Oh, we need to.
Yeah.
Just move up a little bit.
Or we can wait here with this.
Yeah, wait, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, right
Oh, we
here.
can wait here.
And now I look out for them, okay? Let me go look for them,
Yeah,
okay?
well, look for
Because yeah, thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Because they might be standing there, you know, and they don't know. Yes, sir.
Thank you for waiting.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem.
He likes to talk.
He likes to talk.
He's a veteran.
Yeah, I like that good person.
You know that he's a veteran. He
Veteran.
retired from the army. Yeah.
Okay lang. Yeah, let boy sit here.
No. You say, Max.
It's better because...
No, he likes to talk to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I like rock soldier, man.
We'll come back.
Yeah. Republic of Korea.
Oh, you? Oh, really?
Yeah, I like rock.
My name is Jongsu.
Jongsu.
Yeah,
Max,
what is your name?
Max.
Max.
Max
Oh,
Jongsu.
you're Max? Huh?
you, Jongsu.
Yeah, you Max.
Jongsu.
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 Yeah, Max.
Max. Alex. Alex.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
So we're 6 siblings and my brother-in-law.
Jongsu.
Big family.
Last name. What is your last name?
Oh,
Max.
Max Padua.
Padua.
Yeah.
Oh.
And your name?
Jongsu.
Jongsu.
Oh, last name is
Su.
Pot.
Jongsu.
Your name is what?
Jongsu.
Jongsu Po.
He's from Korea.
Pot.
Korea.
Jongsu Po.
Pot.
Pot.
Yeah, Pot. But
Jongsu Po.
but in Korea we do last name first. Put Jongsu.
Put Jongsu.
Yeah.
They reverse it, huh?
Reverse.
Yeah, it's Put Jongsu. But I'm here in Philippines.
경로 안내를 시작합니다.
Yeah, my Korean ways. Always follow the ways. Follow ways. Only follow ways.
Yes, sir.
You okay, Max?
Yes, ma'am.
You have nice car.
You know Taekwondo?
You have nice car.
Very, yeah, that's the sports in Korea.
Yeah, the best, yeah.
You know how
Taekwondo.
to
No, not me.
know karate,
No.
taekwondo.
You know the DMZ? The DMZ right there, you know the DMZ?
What is that?
The North and South Korea right there. The border, you know?
At the border.
Yeah, we... You far from there?
Far, but actually, not. I'm originally from north.
From
I live in north.
North Korea?
North Fairview.
Oh.
You know North Fairview here, Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I live in.
But not
Fairview, that's in Quezon City, right?
Oh yeah, Quezon City.
Yes, but not North Korea. No.
But you've been Korea before? Have you been Korea before?
Yeah, long time ago.
Long time ago.
1980.
1980. Is it in the war? War?
Yeah, just only practice.
Practicing. Exercises. Kanan. Kanan? Is it right? Kanan? Here. How to say left?
How do you say left?
Aliwa.
Left,
Haliwa.
Kaliwa. How about go straight?
Diretso.
Diretso. Opo. Kanan. Kaliwa. Diretso. How many years do live in America?
60 years.
60 years.
Yeah.
And how many years here?
Only 3 times.
3 times
Yeah,
here.
but my family here, they're born
Here?
Yes.
Oh.
In Makati, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Makati.
We were all burned.
All 7 kids, yeah.
That's why you Tagalog, kunti. Kunti Tagalog.
Yeah, konti lang.
Kunti lang.
Yeah, because
Because you
stay there.
stay there a long time.
Yeah.
You have a business there or you
No, just
No? just
no,
go
no business. Yeah, just retired. Right now.
retired? Oh.
Yeah.
Enjoy happy.
Happy. Yeah, me and my wife, happy.
Happy.
Yeah.
You go to Boracay.
Oh yeah.
Why you go Boracay? Yeah, go Boracay, Palawan, you know?
Palawan. Yeah.
Future place.
You went there?
In Palawan?
Yeah.
Palawan pawn shop only.
Oh.
Palawan pawn shop.
Pawn shop. only, yeah.
Oh, only Palawan.
Me too.
You too?
Yeah, only pawn shop.
Oh, only Palawan pawn shop?
Yeah.
You know, sanla, pawn.
Pawn, yeah. Pawn shop, yeah.
Yeah, it's Palawan pawn shop.
Me too.
Yeah, they name it Palawan.
Palawan, yeah.
Mm.
Pawn shop.
Pawn shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, pawn shop.
And Boracay, pawn shop.
There's no Boracay pawn shop. Only Palawan.
Only Palawan.
I have a business here.
Oh yeah.
You know my business?
What kind?
My business.
Food?
My business here is a casino, you know?
Oh, casino.
You know casino?
Kasi
Yeah, like that?
bateryan yun. Baterya yun eh.
Casino.
Casino?
Yeah.
Try to
That's his business, casino.
Oh,
This guy.
Casino.
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 Oh, casino.
Yeah.
Oh, casino.
Yeah, casino.
Oh,
I
casino.
see.
Casino.
Yeah, casino.
Casino. That's your business.
Yeah, here.
I thought it's casino. No.
Not gambling.
Not gambling.
No gambling.
Not gambling.
Yung dumpling. Yung dumpling.
How do you say gamble in Tagalog?
sugal.
Sugal. No, sugal.
No sugar, but I have a sugar business also.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I have a sugar. You know sugar?
Hindi na makapag-drive na.
No sugar.
Oh, sugar.
Sugar.
So how you say it in Korean?
Sugar.
Sugar.
Oh, sugal.
Yeah, this is sugar.
Oh,
Sugar casino.
Not sugal, okay, Max?
Yeah.
Sugar.
Sweet and sour. Yeah.
Sweet and sour.
Ano yung casino sa kabila?
I like that.
Sugar.
Good business. Good
Yeah, good
business.
business.
Filipino, they like casino. You know.
Oh, yeah.
Dagdag
Eating.
Baka
More rice. Filipino eating more rice. Only rice.
Hindi siya
Rice.
naiinit.
Yeah, my family here, they speak fluent
Fluent.
Tagalog. Yeah.
Tagalog.
Mm,
But you understand Tagalog? Or
just only a little bit.
a little?
Yeah, not that much. You understand more than me. Yeah,
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
maybe.
안녕하세요.
Ayusumiyo.
안녕하세요.
Ano sa iyo? Ganon. Ganon ba yun?
Beautiful.
Is that how you say it? Ano sa iyo?
안녕하세요.
Ano sa way?
안녕 사요.
ano sa'yo?
What is 안녕 사요? 군습니다.
Kumsimida.
What is that? Consumida? Consumption?
군습니다.
Yes, thank you, right?
Yeah.
Medida.
감사합니다.
Salsamida.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. 감사합니다.
Kamsamida.
Hindi lang ako.
How about I love you? Like that.
사랑해요.
Sarangyo.
Yeah.
I love you.
How about Tagalog? Tagalog how to say?
Mahal kita.
kita.
Yeah.
Mahal?
Mahal.
Kita.
You know that, Max?
Yeah, mahal kita.
Mahal kita?
Yeah.
Mahal kita? Mahal Makita.
What is your name again?
Jongsu.
Dongsu.
Last name is Pot.
What Johnson?
Pot Jongsu. Very good.
What?
Nice talking to you,
Hey, it's nice talking to you, bro.
Max.
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
Max.
Max Steel.
No, you.
Me, Jongsu.
Johnson.
Oh, yeah.
Dongsu.
Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee, China.
Oh, yeah,
Chinese.
yeah.
We have here Korean community.
Oh, yeah.
And we have a plan now.
Yes.
This is Shabu.
No, no.
Hot pot, you know.
Hot pot. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Shabu shabu. You
Yeah,
know,
shabu shabu.
Shabu.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got that.
The hot pot one.
It's good, huh? You
Good,
cook
yeah.
it.
Shabu shabu.
We have it in there.
Sa sobrang haba ng biyahe namin, magkakaroon tayo ng part 2. Kaya kita kits sa part 2.